Alright, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made and how you can make this Aerobar Stasher bag for storing a jacket. If it starts raining, you can pull out a rain jacket. If it gets too hot, you can just shove your jacket in this pocket while you're at a red light. You don't need to get off your bike. Super convenient, and I'm going to show you how to make one today. This is what the bag looks like. It's basically a bag with 4 straps. Each strap has a snap on it, and those snaps just go around your aero bars and snap together. I should mention that I only spent about half an hour building this first prototype, so I'm sure there's lots of improvements to be made. This is a Mountain Hardwear down puffer jacket. It's a size large, and I'm going to show how this fits into the Aerobar stuff sack. I would normally stuff this in a trunk bag or in one of my panniers, but when I'm riding with a group, I don't like to make anyone wait, and I can stuff this in this bag at a red light in a matter of seconds. The material I'm using come from these camping chair bags. We have a ton of these because we have so many camping chairs, but we never store them in these bags. And the bags are actually really nice ripstop nylon, so it's perfect for this application. They're super lightweight. If you wanted to be more aero, you could use the mesh part of the bag. So I literally just cut the end of the bag off. I reinforced the stitching inside to make it a little bit stronger than the stitching that the bag came with. So I just kind of cut it out in this little lunchbox shape. The dimensions I cut them to are about 12.5 inches by 12 inches, and you can make it fit whatever size your bike bag needs to be. This is the snap kit that I'm using. I just bought it on Amazon. It comes with a couple tools and instructions showing which snaps go with which rivet parts and which tools to use. So I'm going to demonstrate just installing a snap. The first tool we're going to use is this center punch, and this is used for punching a hole in your fabric. I'm just using a piece of sacrificial wood back here. I'm going to push the corresponding pieces through. The punch tool encompasses the snap head, and the die on the back fits the hole in the backing rivet. And we'll just give that one hit with a hammer. And everything is snapped together. This is what the end of the 3 tools look like. And the double-sided die. On the sewing machine, I just reinforced the stitching that was already there and did 1 stitch across the front to help the bag lay flat when it's installed on the bike. For a couple dollars worth of fabric and about half an hour worth of time, it's a pretty worthwhile project. The bag weighs in at 30 grams, which is super light. It's also small enough to fold up and store in a jersey pocket. Well, thanks again for watching. This was super cheap and easy to make. I think it's totally worthwhile if you need some extra storage on your bike and you have aero bars. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks again for watching.